If you just want to know where all the places that you can get something to eat from on the Royal Princess without having to sit through a full ship tour, then this is the video for you. Onto deck 5 and let's start at the aft of the deck. First we have the Symphony Dining Room. It's the main dining room for the anytime dining guests. If you're an anytime dining guest, you can book between 5:30 and 9:30 at night. They also have the winemaker's dinner here. If you want to book it, make sure you're quick as seats are limited. On the starboard side is Gelato. It is the specialty onboard ice cream and gelato offering. It has many types of ice cream including cookies and cream, as well as traditional offerings like chocolate. If you have Princess Plus and Princess Premium, you can use your dessert options here. Ahead on the port side is the International Café. Open 24 hours, most food items are complimentary except for a small amount of items. It also offers premium coffees and teas. On starboard we have Sabitini's Italian. If you like Italian food, this is a restaurant for you. It's a premium restaurant. Moving up to deck 6, at the aft is the Alegro Dining Room. It's another complimentary dining location for set time dining guests. It's only accessible by the aft stairs and elevators, so take note if you're coming here. It's also where the chef's table is located. Next is the Concerto Dining Room, another complimentary dining option for both anytime and my-time dining guests. On the starboard side is Alfredos Pizza. It's a casual dining restaurant focusing on pizzas as well as pastas. It's another premium restaurant, but if you're on Princess Premier, that fee is waived. Moving up we have the Wheelhouse Bar, offering different things at different times including music and trivia. On the port side is the Crown Grill. It's for all princesses' premium steak and seafood restaurant. Now we have the Ocean Terrace Bar offering sushi, caviar, oysters and sashimi for an extra charge, which is waived if you're choosing the set menu and have Princess Premier. We now have Royal Princess's Buffet, which is split into two parts. Let's start off with the Horizon Bistro, which is closer to midship and includes pastry shop. Then let's move on to the after the ship for the second portion, Horizon Court. We now have Swirls, where you can get that free ice cream if you need one. Moving up on portside is Prego Pizzeria. Here you can get a slice of pizza or many. And lastly for this deck is the Trident Grill, a complimentary eatery that includes burgers and tacos. They also have a lobster roll that's extra. If you want to see the full ship tour of the Royal Princess including the deck plans, then have a look at this video here. And thanks for watching.